Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another hashtag. Today's Wednesday, May 13th, I believe. It's Wednesday, and it is that time to share a Flowers and Critters collab with Poetspice here on YouTube. And we come on every first Wednesday of every month of this collaboration. I'll have everybody's links down below so you can go check them out. A lot of talented ladies creating variety of crafts. It's really nice to see. And I'm here just to share a really simple altered playing card, and my time is limited with work and everything. I mean, I have the weekends, but my weekends are really busy these days too. So I have hardly any time to craft. Um, it's, I think I can only do like spurts here and there. And, between my kids and my husband and the home and work and everything like that, you know, crafting this time of year is just very limited for me. Um, but, that's what it is. So, like I said, I did an altered playing card, and let me bring you down here so you can see. Um, so it is just a regular playing card. It's the same size, pretty much the same size as an ATC. I think it's maybe a little bit. No, that's 2.5 by 3.5. So this card is exact, but I do have thinner um, cards. I think I've showed you in the past. This is a little bit thinner, as you can see. About the same length, but it is probably like a quarter of an inch thinner. Um, but I love altering playing cards. So this week I sanded the playing card because they have like a really glossy finish to it. It makes, easy to, see how shiny this is. I don't know if you can see it. But it is, there it is. It is shiny. So I sanded it down with this is from Dollar Tree. It's just a sanding block just to give it a little bit of grit, I think, if you see there. And I do it both directions. I sand it up and down, back and forth, maybe even like a little bit of diagonal, just to get some of that shininess off the card. This is an ephemera piece that I have in my stash. It has a beautiful rose on it with some script. And I think that's a 2. Yeah, it's a 2. In the back, there's like a dragonfly, which I was just going to put that, but I was like, no, I can't do that to this card. There is a little tape here on the ephemera piece, but then I added a little bit more of my own homemade. I think I have it here somewhere. I've done or I've made with just tape and some alcohol inks, and I made my own vintage masking tape, I guess. It's a little bit darker than the image, but I like the contrast of it. I inked the edges with vintage photo. I added this other butterfly, or is it a moth? It's probably a moth, to this piece. And then if you can see, I don't know if I can focus in here. There's a teeny tiny, let me see if I can focus in real quick. If you can see, no, the little bow right there, that is from the teeny tiny bows that I got from Hobby Lobby last weekend. So let me take that because it's going to go in and out. So that is my card for this week's Flowers and Critters collaboration with Poetspice. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.